Hello, potential streamers who's trying to sort out your Discord and OBS stream. Maybe you want to stream Dungeons and Dragons or some sort of podcast, and you just don't know how to make those videos fit into those tiny squares in your template. I am in a voice channel right now as my character name, and I want to fit this into my Discord streams. Hold on to Alt and drag. Now, I get to choose the size of the video that I want. And in this case, it's just going to be the border of my particular Discord section. And now that I've done that, I'm going to turn on the overlay again. And I'm going to fit my dragged out and calculated video into here. If it doesn't fit very well, you can just hold on to Alt again and make it a little bit smaller. Let's suppose this screen here is another video. Then you would hold on to Alt. You'll make this. And then now, don't forget to lock player 1 and put your player 2 in the group. Now I can move this where I want it to be. Say this is the DM. And position the DM. But what about the middle section here? We want to press the eyeball so that we can see, unlock the section so that we can edit it, and lock all the other sessions, by the way, so you don't accidentally drag them around. Hold on to Alt and get rid of all the bits you don't want to see by dragging. Into the frame. And now you can set this to be a bit bigger, and when I drag my map around, it'll look very cool. And if you have the chat and dice rolls on the side, well, you just have to add another Discord screen onto your list and do the same thing and drag and drop wherever you want. That Alt key is going to save you a lot of trouble. You might have to do that each session because different players will appear differently in Discord or Zoom. But it will definitely save you a lot of time, or just picking the players and then just readjusting them each time you stream. I hope that's helped everybody.